In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your API to WordPress website. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to their actual website, which is wordpress.com, and then create an account there, and from in there you can create your own website. As you can see right here, I already have my own website into this case, and you can see that I already have my dashboard and everything set up. So on this case, you can head over and then connect an API to your WordPress website by doing the following. First thing that you can do is you can head over right here into your left sidebar and you can see this plugins option. Once you have clicked on that, you can head over and then click in here and then search in here for an API that you can actually use. So the first thing that you can do is you can search for plugin like WP Get API. Search that right here and click onto the search icon. And then it should be able to search in here for that particular plugin that we're looking for. Now using this right here, you can click on this, and if you have, you can upgrade and activate the business plan in order to do this. But if you already have this particular API integration, you can head over and then just input right here your API that you want. It can be OpenAI. Just input right here the endpoints, methods, results, and the likes. And you can also use in here all of these things. And it's actually a lot more easier than coding. If you do not have the budget for the API, you can go do a direct coding. But do take note that this is for developers and you need to be advanced in coding in order to utilize this. So to do this, you can head over and then just go to the built-in functions like WP Remote Get or WP Remote Post in order to make HTTP requests to external APIs. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.